Oh, it's such tiring work having your breakfast. Come on, you boisterous bugger. Give us a burp. Give us a big man burp. You got bottom burps. Go on, a man burp. Oh, that's a good boy.
There we go.
More bot now then.
Again, we can't get enough of it. I was reading what you want to do.